Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of breaking the bank on data plans? Well, I have got you covered. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 cheap codes you're going to get the cheapest data from Airtel. So if this is a video you would like to watch to the end, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment on this video so that it will get to a whole lot of people who needs to get these 8 cheap data codes from Airtel. So Airtel offers a range of data plans just to suit different budgets and needs, from daily to monthly needs or budgets. That is why I'm confident to say that Airtel has got you covered. Without much being said, let me not waste much of your time. Let's get started.
So the first one is *312 *hash *11 *312 *11. So you have different offers here. Data plans, my best offers, and then you are using 5,000 to get 18 gigabytes, and then you're using 3,000 to get 10 gigabytes, and then you're also using 2,500 to get 6 gigabytes, and then you're using 1,500 to get 3.5 gigabytes plus another 3.5 gigabytes, and of course you're using 750 naira to get 2.2 gig plus another 2 gig, and then 500 naira to get 1 gig plus another 1 gig. This is good. So what you need to do is to impute star to go to the next offer, and then you send, and then you're going with number 11, social plan. So here you are using 100 naira to get 200 MB, and then 300 naira to get 1 gig, and then 500 naira to get 1.5 gig. So let's move on to the second code, which is *430 *430 This service is temporarily unavailable. So if you're only showing you like this, just continue trying it. It will pop out, all right? So the network is not active for now. So just continue trying it and it will pop out, okay? So for the third one, we are dialing *312 *61 *312 *61 So here you have best offers, data plans, 18 gig for 5,000 naira, 10 gig for 3,000 naira, 6 gig for 2.5, 3.5 gig plus another 3.5 gig for 1.5, and then 2 gig plus 2 gig for 750, and then 1 gig plus 1 gig for 500 naira. Let's dial number 1. Let's select number 1 to see what the best offer has for us. So these are smart cash data plans. So using 3,000 naira to get 10 gig, 2,000 naira to get 7 gig, and then using 1,000 naira to get 3 gig, and then you're using 200 naira to get 600 MB, and then 100 naira to get 300 MB, then 50 naira to get 150 MB. Isn't this beautiful? It is. All right, let's move on to the fourth code, which is *312 #. Let's go with number 2, which is data plans. So you have daily plans, binge plans, weekly, monthly, big monthly plans, 3 months plus, social plan, everyday plan, and then anyone you want to go with, you can go. Let's choose number 2, which is the binge plans. So you're using 1.5 to get 5 gigabytes, and you're using 1,000 naira to get 3 gigabytes, and then of course you're using 2 gigabytes. You're using 750 naira to get 2 gigabytes plus another 2 gigabytes, and then 600 naira to get 1.5 gigabytes, and then 500 naira to get 1 gigabyte plus another 1 gigabyte. All these are in the binge plans. Okay, so let's move on to this fifth code, which is *312 *61 *16 *312 *16 Let's choose number 1. As you can see, you're using 15 naira for 150 MB, 100 naira for 300 MB, 200 naira for 600 MB, and 3 gig for 1,000 naira. and there's 7 gig for 2,000, 10 gig for 3,000. So anyone that best suits your plan, you can just proceed with it. Okay. So let's move on to the sixth code, which is star 312 star 9 star 3 hash. Star 312 star 9 star 3 hash. So we have talk more bundle, 6 times bundle, flexi bundle, wadata, and then plus voice data plus roaming bundle, check data bundle. So what we are doing here, we are going to be using 6 time bundle, which is number 2. So these are for calls. Okay, you want to talk more, you can use 100 naira to get 10 minutes, and you can use 200 naira to get 20 minutes, and you can use 300 naira to get 30 minutes, and you can use 500 naira to get 50 minutes, and 1000 naira for 100 minutes. This is massive. Okay, so let's go back to the main menu, which is, let's choose hash to go back. So let's see number 3, flexi bundle. So yeah, you're using 10 minutes, you're using 500 to get 10 minutes plus 400 MB. Isn't this beautiful? And of course, you're using 1000 naira to get 20 minutes plus 1.2 gigabytes. Wow, this is massive. Then you're also using 2000 naira to get 40 minutes plus 2.5 gigabytes. Rush this, guys, please rush it. And then you're using 5000 naira to get 100 minutes plus 12 gig. This is very good. Airtel, kudos to you. Alright, so if you're good with this plan, you can just go with it. So for the 7th code, you're dialing star 312 star 10 star 1 hash. Star 312 star 10 star 1 hash. So we have roam the world. Roam the world, which is for the voice. Number 2, roam the world data, and then 1 Airtel India, Airtel Africa. Okay, free incoming call, check roaming balance. So for the 7th code, you're dialing star 312 hash. So you choose hash, which is, star. You choose star, which is next. And then number 13, we are going to number 13. If you want to borrow airtime or data. So these are for people that want to borrow airtime or data from Airtel. So you go with number 13. Let's move on to the final one, which is the 8th code. Star 312 hash. Okay, so you click on hash. Star, please, sorry. They have voice plans, roaming plans, social plan, everyday plan. Okay, let's go with everyday plan number 12. So yeah, you're using 4000 naira to get 15 gigabytes, and then 7500 to get 40 gigabytes. So this is very good, guys. I think you should go with it if you're interested in it.
So if you found this video helpful, you found it valuable, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, share it so that it will get to a whole lot of people who needs to know about this 8 cheap data codes from Airtel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.